welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you and ask you to please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget, we do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do beauty boxes, we do stationery, we do candles, we do lifestyle, home decor, pets, snacks. We do it all. So if you enjoy subscription unboxing, then definitely, like I said, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. Also, guys, don't forget, we do have 2 active giveaways. We have our holiday appreciation giveaway and we have the thrift bag holiday giveaway. So those will be linked down below. But as you can see from the title, we have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus today. Yay! I love Ipsy Glam Bag Plus so much. It's $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products. It's amazing. So it's the like middle sister for Ipsy, because there is the little Ipsy bag, the glam bag, that is $12. You receive 5 sample, deluxe size sample, and sometimes even full-size products in that for $12. Then you have this one, like I said, for $25 with 5 full-size items. And then you have the ultimate that is $50 a month, and you're supposed to receive 8 full-size items and 4 deluxe. However, for the first time, I know it's only the 3rd month, but they knocked it out of the park this month. I received 10 full-size products and 2 deluxe size samples. The value of my box was over $400. So I think Ipsy Ultimate got it this month. But anyway, this is not about Ipsy Ultimate, this is about Ipsy Plus. So let's cut her open and see what I got. So when you open it, it says, "Discover yourself," has the orange foam. And there is a card. And Shine On is the theme. Again, sparkle, shimmer, and shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. So, I love that. I love that they do give you full size pricing, because these are full size items, and they tell you about the items. So, let's just get started. Another thing I do really like is Ipsy has started where you can actually choose 1 item in each subscription. So in your bag, in your plus, in your ultimate. So I'm going to start with the item that I chose. So I knew this would be in here. And it is the Tarte Stay Spray Setting Spray. It's their double duty beauty setting spray. And it says Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Stay Spray Setting Spray. I dare someone to say that 5 times. And this is a $25 value. And it says this makeup setting mist from Tarte is a bestseller for a good reason. The microfine spray with cooling aloe and cucumber extracts keeps your look from melting, cracking, fading, or settling into fine lines for up to 16 hours. A must-have for hectic holiday schedules. Now, I can attest that this is an amazing product. I actually ordered the little sample, like travel size, and I took that recently when we went out of town, and that was what I used as my setting spray. And y'all, my makeup lasted from the moment I put it on and set it till I washed it off. It was fantastic. So I was so excited to see this as an option in the full size. So plus, I'm a Tarte girl. So, super excited about that. And then, let's see, we have, oh, now this, okay, Complex Culture. This is a brush. This is the Press and Set Bronzer Brush. This is valued at $35. I got one of these brushes in my ultimate, and you guys, oh my gosh, it was amazing. It's like such a gorgeous, but just amazing brush. And this looks like it, oh my gosh, it's gonna be the same. Not the same brush, but y'all, let me just look at this gorgeous brush. Like, and it oh my gosh. There is no shedding. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. This says, every Complex Culture brush is made to multitask and save you time in your day. Thanks to its exclusive, luxurious, dense SyncTech bristles designed to mimic natural brush hairs, this 2-in-1 setting and bronzing brush helps you apply both powder products seamlessly, plus it's vegan and cruelty-free. So, yay! I'm so excited about that. And I am super pumped to see this in here. This is a lipstick from Morphe. And this is their Mega Matte, and it's in the shade Morphe, which looks like a beautiful red, and that would be great for the holidays. Now, this is a $9 value. This lipstick from Morphe is the ultimate beauty power move. The cherry red color and trendy matte finish are flirty, fierce, festive, and most importantly, fun. And thanks to the highly pigmented, long-wearing formula, you'll never have to worry about touch-ups. I don't know that I have some Morphe like liquid lips and glosses, but I don't have, I like this packaging. It's similar to their lip glosses and liquid lipsticks. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Now I have lipstick on, but you know what? Now, I don't think it's as deep as it would normally be because I already had lipstick on, but I do like it. It doesn't feel any different than like the lipstick I already had on, which is one that I love, and it's a Becca lipstick. So I'm excited about that. And then one thing, the next item I got is actually a set of lip balms, which I am not mad at because this time of year, especially Christopher, we go through lip balms like crazy because the wind, just the cold air, the heat in the house. And so I'm not mad at getting lip balms. And this is from Noya Organic. Like I said, it's lip balm set in peppermint and vanilla. And let's see, $7.98 for the set of 2. It says 5 ingredients, that's it. The balm leaves lips soft and supple with 100% certified beeswax and organic coconut, olive, and essential oils. A hint of stevia helps indulge your sweet tooth and protects your lips from the winter chap. So you can see here we have the organic peppermint. And then this is the organic vanilla. So again, I'm not mad at all. And then we have our final item. Well, we have our bag. Let's look at our bag. We didn't look at our bag. So the bag looks like this month. Has the zipper to come this way. And it is like a navy cobalt, like dark cobalt. It's very pretty with a silver. So there's our bag. And the palette, I got a palette. This is actually it's like a Z palette. $60? What? The ultimate winter eyeshadow quad, the versatile combo of matte and shimmery shades flawlessly mix and match for everyday looks or party-ready smoky eyes. And the powder's soft, buttery texture blends just as easily as a cream. We're obsessed. And is it Ipsy? I-T-T-S-E, but the E has the, but it's, yeah, magnetic palette, build your own. But yeah, I think it does have, I think it's got 4 shades in it. So let's take a look. This is interesting. Magnetic, eco-friendly, vegan leather, a luxe mirrored palette with a free-form magnetic compartment for makeup singles of all sizes. It says clean, use damp cloth and mild soap. Then it goes over like the shades that are in here. So there are 4 different shades in here. Oh, well, that's pretty. It's kind of almost a rose gold. Okay. It's like, It's got a mirror, but this is attached. Like you have to like rip it. But here are the colors, and they are very pretty colors. As far as you could make a complete eye look with those colors, and then you can lift this up right here, take that out, and then you can add more into the pan. So I like that. I think it's cute. I like that those colors, in my opinion, you can create one eye look with. So we have this palette, this palette. We have the Tarte Stay Spray setting spray, which is amazing. This gorgeous brush, which I cannot wait to use. The Morphe lipstick that is absolutely gorgeous, and the 2 lip balms. So overall, I am actually very pleased with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month. I think that the value is definitely there. Let me put these down so I don't drop them. So what I will do is go ahead and put the entire total value of my box down here. I'll add everything up and put it down there for you guys. Let me know, were we box twins? Did you get any of the same products? Did you get completely different products? Let me know down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.